Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to transform your eye makeup game. The Smashbox Photo Finish Intensify 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. This little powerhouse is designed to smooth and strengthen your eyeshadow, offering long-lasting wear that's resistant to sweat and humidity. It comes in a light lotion form and is formulated to work on all skin types with nourishing vitamin E packed right in. I've been testing this primer over the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, the texture is surprisingly lightweight. It glides onto the eyelid effortlessly without feeling greasy or heavy, which is key when you're layering shadows on top. In my experience, it really does create a smooth base, making eyeshadow application feel more seamless. I tried it with both matte and shimmer shadows, and I noticed that colors appeared more vibrant and stayed put much longer than without a primer. One day, I even tested it in a particularly humid setting, and it held up impressively. No creasing or fading, which is always a win in my book. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the primer is lightweight, easy to apply, and significantly improves eyeshadow vibrancy and longevity. The inclusion of vitamin E adds a nourishing touch, which is a thoughtful bonus for your delicate eye area. On the flip side, the tube is small, 0.34 fel-aughts, so if you're a daily eyeshadow wearer, you might go through it faster than expected. Also, while it's excellent for most skin types, those with very oily lids may still need a touch of powder to keep shadows perfectly in place. Considering value for money, it sits at a mid-range price point. Given the performance, especially for long wear and sweat-resistant needs, I think it's justified if you're serious about keeping your eye makeup flawless throughout the day. If you're looking for something slightly more budget-friendly, there are other primers that extend wear and reduce creasing, though they might lack the vitamin E boost that Smashbox offers. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and hygienic with a convenient squeeze tube that prevents product waste. I haven't had to reach out to Smashbox customer support, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for addressing inquiries efficiently. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Wrapping things up, the Smashbox Photo Finish Intensify Eyeshadow Primer really does what it promises. It brightens, smooths, and extends the wear of your eyeshadow, all while feeling light and nourishing. It's perfect for anyone looking for long-lasting, vibrant eye looks, especially in challenging conditions like heat or humidity. If you've used this primer, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And for those interested, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.